What did you say?
I said, is it really painful to watch?
No. I think you guys are wonderful.
Are we sticking these in water?
We're in the Caribbean. Do bouquets go in water until the wedding? Yes. You're each taking your bouquet home with you. I'm getting close on a bigger one. Freaking out. Damn, I never thought I was going to need like 5 songs to get y'all through a pop quiz.
This is a lot of pressure. Ouch!
Sorry. Don't bleed on the white fabric! God, that's the worst. When you bleed on the bouquet and then you have to start over. I tell you, that will really screw up your night.